Hello and a huge welcome to Master EnglishHub podcast. We're the place that makes practicing your English fun, effective, and maybe even a little exciting. I'm Adam.
And I'm Eve. We're so happy you're here with us today. We've got a topic that might seem simple, but don't worry. We'll keep everything easy, calm, and super simple for you.
That's right. Today, we're stepping into a pet shop.
Have you ever walked into a pet store, heard the gentle bark of a puppy, the chirp of birds, or the rustle of hamster wheels and suddenly felt a little overwhelmed? You wonder, where do I even start? Do I need a license to buy this? How do I ask if this fish eats twice a day or once a week?
Oh, absolutely. It can feel like entering a whole new world. When you don't know the right words, even choosing a bag of cat food can make your heart race. The last thing you want is to stand there silently while the employee asks, "Are you looking for food, toys, or something else?" And you freeze thinking, "What do I say? How do I explain?" That little voice in your head, "I don't know the words," is something so many people feel. And guess what? It's completely, totally normal.
Well, that's exactly why we're here. In today's conversation, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know so you can walk into any pet shop feeling calm, prepared, and even a little proud of yourself. Let's make learning English practical, peaceful, and maybe even a tiny bit fun.
Exactly, Eve. Let's be real. Caring for a pet isn't just cute, it's a responsibility. Maybe you just adopted a kitten, your child begged for a hamster, or you're buying a birthday present for your dog-loving friend. Whether you're shopping for food, toys, or a cozy little bed, knowing what to say makes all the difference.
It really does. And when you're excited or nervous, trying to remember English words feels twice as hard. So here's our promise. By the end of this episode, you'll have the key phrases, the confidence, and the know. How to handle 4 real-life pet shop moments calmly, clearly, and with a smile. We'll walk through, asking what kind of pet is best for beginners, choosing the right food, buying toys or supplies, and understanding care instructions. Ready to jump in, Adam?
I'm ready. Let's start with the moment we've all felt walking in, looking around, and wondering, okay, where do I even begin? Picture this. It's Saturday morning, sunlight streaming through the windows. You've just moved into your new place, and you're ready for a little furry, or feathery, friend. You walk into the pet shop. There's a tank full of colorful fish, a cage of curious guinea pigs, a shelf of sleepy bunnies, and a corner with puppies playfully tumbling over each other.
You don't want to choose the wrong pet, especially if you've never had one before. You take a breath and ask one simple, honest question. Let's roleplay it. Adam, you'll be Jamie, the friendly shop assistant wearing a Ask Me badge and holding a clipboard. I'll be me, Eve, looking a little wide-eyed at all the choices.
Perfect. I'm Jamie, calm, patient, and clearly used to helping new pet parents.
Hi, excuse me? I'm new to having pets. What kind of pet would be good for a beginner?
Oh, that's a great question. It depends on your lifestyle. If you're busy during the day, a fish or a hamster might be perfect, low maintenance, quiet, and super cute. But if you want something more interactive, maybe a cat or a guinea pig?
I work from home, so I'm usually around. I think I'd like something I can cuddle.
Then a rabbit or a guinea pig could be lovely. They're social, gentle, and love attention. We've got 2 young guinea pigs in that cage over there, very friendly.
Oh, thank you so much. I was worried I'd pick something too hard to care for.
No worries at all. We help people choose the right pet every day. Want to meet them?
Yes, please.
And scene. That felt real, didn't it?
So real. And notice how just one honest question opened the door to great advice and even a chance to meet a future friend. The magic phrase was, "Hi, excuse me? I'm new to having pets. What kind of pet would be good for a beginner?" It's polite, honest, and shows you care about doing the right thing.
Yes. In English-speaking shops, being open about being a beginner actually makes staff more willing to help. They'll often guide you patiently, no judgment.
And I said pet, not animal, because pet sounds kind and caring. Animal is correct, but in a pet shop, pet fits better.
Also notice I didn't just say, "What's easy?" I gave options based on lifestyle. Busy equals fish. Home all day equals guinea pig. That's how real conversations work.
Another tip, if you're unsure, you can always ask, what does this pet need every day? That tells you about food, cleaning, attention, and space.
Because choosing a pet isn't like buying a toy, it's a promise. And asking questions shows you're ready to keep that promise.
Now imagine this. You've decided on a kitten. She's fluffy, playful, and currently napping in a cozy carrier. You walk to the cat food aisle and see rows of bags and cans. Indoor, kitten, grain, free, with salmon, hairball control. Your brain says, wait, which one is right?
Totally normal. Let's role play how to ask for help without feeling shy.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but I just got a new kitten. Which food should I choose?
Oh, congrats. Kittens need special food, it says. Kitten right on the bag or can. This one here has extra protein for growing. And if she's indoors only, go for indoor kitten. Less mess, better digestion.
Ah, perfect. And is wet food or dry food better?
Best to give both. Dry food is great for teeth. Wet food keeps her hydrated. Start with a small bag and a few cans. See what she likes.
You're a lifesaver. I was about to pick the one with the cutest cat on the bag.
We've all been there. The cute packaging gets me too.
Thanks again.
Anytime. And hey, if you need a litter box or toys, they're down aisle 3.
Even better.
Okay, so you're at the checkout now. What do you say if you need more?
Hi. Do you have soft brushes for kittens? Or, where can I find a small water bowl? Polite, clear, and you get exactly what you need.
Now, about toys, don't just grab anything. Ask, is this safe for kittens? Some toys have small parts that can be dangerous.
If you're not sure, choose toys labeled for kittens or non-toxic. Scratching posts help cats sharpen claws good for your couch. Interactive toys, like feather wands, help them stay active. Soft plush toys are great for cuddling, but watch for loose strings.
And please don't buy too much on day 1. Start with food, a bed, a litter box, and 1 or 2 toys. You can always come back.
And one more thing, always check the age label. Puppy food does not equal dog food. Hamster food does not equal rabbit food. Getting it wrong can make your pet sick.
Okay, let's talk about a rare but possible pet shop moment. You're looking at bird cages when suddenly, a little green parakeet flies out of someone's open carrier. It lands near the fish tank, chirping nervously.
Everyone stops. The owner looks panicked. You want to help, but how do you say it?
Let's handle it with calm and kindness.
Hi. Excuse me, did you see that little green bird that just flew out?
Yes, it's over by the aquarium near the big blue coral tank.
Thank you. It's okay, I've got her. She's safe.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Her name is Kiwi. I just got her today.
No problem at all. Maybe keep her carrier zipped next time?
Definitely. Thank you so much. You're an angel.
Just happy she's safe. See how that went? No panic, just quick, kind action.
The phrase, "Is this safe for," is your best friend. You can say, "Is this safe for rabbits?" Or, "Is this toy safe for puppies?"
And if you want to hold a small pet, like a hamster or bunny, always ask first, "Can I hold her?" Some animals are for viewing only.
If you're comparing products, keep them on the shelf or in your cart. Don't leave them in the middle of the aisle.
Because deep down, everyone in the pet shop just wants animals to be loved and cared for with kindness. Now you've bought everything, but you're not sure how to use that automatic fish feeder or how often to clean the hamster cage.
I'm at the register, buying Betta fish supplies. Eve walks up.
Hi, sorry to ask again, but how often should I clean a fish tank?
Great question. For a small tank, once a week, just change 20–30% of the water. Don't clean it all at once. It can shock the fish.
That's so helpful. Thank you.
Later, You're reading a hamster care sheet.
Excuse me, is it okay to give my hamster fruit?
A little apple or banana, yes, but no citrus. And never too much sugar. A tiny piece, once or twice a week.
Wonderful, thank you.
You're welcome. Quick vocab check. Kitten equals baby cat. Puppy equals baby dog. Detergent equals soap for washing, not for pets. Food pellets equals dry food for birds, rabbits, or fish. Litter box equals where cats go to the bathroom.
Carrier equals soft or hard box to carry your pet safely. Toy equals for play and mental stimulation. Cage equals home for small pets like birds or hamsters. Tank equals glass home for fish or reptiles. Leash equals strap to walk your dog.
And remember, you have a pet, not I own a pet. And you take care of it. You don't just keep it.
Let's say you're thinking of adopting a pet from the shop's rescue corner.
You go to the adoption desk. I'll be Maria, the adoption coordinator, with a clipboard and a name tag.
Hi, Maria. Do you have any cats available for adoption?
We do! 2 lovely adult cats, both calm, vaccinated, and litter trained. The adoption fee is $75, which includes a health check and microchip.
That sounds perfect. What's the next step?
Just fill out this short form, and we'll do a quick home check. Nothing scary. We just want to make sure your new friend will be happy.
Of course, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Let's find your new best friend together.
We've walked through a full pet shop journey. Let's do a fun, quick-fire recap. Repeat after us. Say it like you mean it.
Phrase 1. Hi, excuse me? I'm new to having pets. What kind of pet would be good for a beginner?
Phrase 2. Which food should I choose for a kitten?
Phrase 3. Is this toy safe for puppies?
Phrase 4. How often should I clean a fish tank?
Phrase 5. Did you see that little green bird that just flew out?
Phrase 6. Can I hold her?
Phrase 7. Where can I find a small water bowl?
Phrase 8. Do you have any cats available for adoption?
Phrase 9. What does this pet need every day?
Phrase 10. Thank you. You've been so kind. And that brings us to the end of our warm, confident guide to visiting a pet shop in English. We hope you feel ready, maybe even a little excited to walk into that store next time, whether you're buying treats or meeting your new best friend.
Practice these phrases out loud. Say them while walking your dog, while feeding your fish, or while dreaming of that perfect hamster wheel. Your mouth will learn the rhythm. Your confidence will grow.
We'd love to hear from you. Comment below. What everyday English situation makes you nervous? Booking a vet appointment? Asking about pet insurance? Your idea could be our next episode.
If this helped you even a little, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a real-life English tip that builds your confidence, not your stress.
Thank you for being here. Keep speaking. Keep showing up. And remember, every time you talk about your pet in English, you're not just learning words, you're building love, care, and connection, one simple phrase at a time.
Until next time, happy learning, and may your pets always purr, chirp, or wag with joy.
See you in the next episode.